So this week's word of the week for week number 24 is HIT. Now HIT is an abbreviation for high intensity interval training. Now the definition for HIT is physical training of the body that consists of short, intense exercise with a short rest, then repeat. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 24 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have kick taps. Number 2, walking lunges. Number 3, kneelers. And number 4, high knees. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 24. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have kick taps. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my right foot. And what I'm gonna do is step my left foot forward. I'm gonna kick forward and then bring that foot back as if I'm in a runner stance. And then I'm gonna kick, tap, all right? So I'm gonna do that 3 times with my right leg. Then I'm gonna do, again, the same thing with my left. Tap, kick, tap, kick, tap, kick, tap, all right? So those are called kick taps. Number 2, we're gonna do walking lunges. So we're gonna do about 3 steps, alternating our legs. So I'm gonna start with my left foot forward, right leg's gonna go straight down, and then I'll switch. Right leg goes forward, left leg goes down, and then again, left and then right. So after I do 3 times, and then I'm gonna go back and alternate my legs, okay? Walking lunges, I'm gonna do that back and forth. Kneelers, so the next one we're gonna do are called kneelers. So we're gonna stand up, okay? We're gonna place one knee down, so we're gonna drop straight down. I'm gonna drop my right leg down, then I'm gonna put my left leg down, and then I'm gonna use my right leg to bring me back up and stand up again. Up, up, okay? So drop, drop, up, up. And you can do that for 30 seconds, okay? Last but not least, number 4, we're gonna do high knees. So again, get your knees as close to your chest as possible. I like to put my hands out in front of me, give me a target to try to get my knees up as high as I can. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 24, and we'll get started in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, kick taps. So 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap. Now switch. 1, 2, 3, nice job. Switch, 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got those walking lunges, go. Switch. Make sure you're alternating your knees, okay? So left foot forward, right down, and then switch, right leg goes forward, left down. We're gonna go 3, turn around. 1, 2, 3. Nice work, my friends. Keep up the good work. You're doing great. Get those walking lunges going. Let's go, let's go. Make sure you're breathing. All right, kneelers. Starting in 3, 2, 1. And go again, just drop the knee down, knee up, up. Knee down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. You got it, my friends. Let's go. 10 seconds left. Remember Garcia's motto, just finish. Because this was going to be last challenge, right? It's okay. Keep working on it, friends. Let's go. And last one on these high knees. Go, go, go. Come up. Remember, just finish. Whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. Let's go. Work hard, my friends. time. All right, rest. 1 minute rest, my friends. Grab some water, stay hydrated. I'm gonna wipe that sweat off. All right. All right, so my friends, we're Fast 5 workout number 24 weeks of Fast 5 workouts, which is amazing. If you guys have not checked out 1 through 23, highly encourage it. Check it out. I cannot wait to get to Fast 5 number 30, which will give us more or less about 1 per day you guys can do, okay? And again, we're gonna grow and we're gonna get more physically active and fit with these Fast 5 workouts. So join me, continue to move and stay active, whether you're at home, at school, or both. Okay, my friends? Excuse me. Breathe in. All right, here we go. Start. 3, 2, 1, and go again. Kick taps, go. 2, 3, switch. Step and kick. Step, kick. Okay. Nice work, my friends. So do one. We haven't done this here on Fast 5 workout, so if you want to try it out, let me know. Drop a comment down below what you guys are thinking about these types of exercises. 2, 3, and switch. Last one. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go. Blocking lunges, go. 1, 2, 3, switch. It's a walk in the park, you know. Let's go, my friends. Keep up the good work, you're doing great. Gotta have that champion mentality. Just finished. All right, let's go. Going down to millers. 2 more left, my friends. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Down, down, up, up. You want to challenge yourself? Try not to use your hands. Hands up, hands up. Woo! Let's go, my friends. You got it. Let's go. Work hard. Look, mom, no hands. Let's go, my friends. If you are not having fun while working out, then you start having fun, my friends. All right, let's go. Last one, high knees, and go. This is it, finish it up. Okay, go with our finisher. Just finish. Let's go. And time. Great job, my friends. We say high five, hand on the back, virtual fist bump. Awesome job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 24. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the exercises, the workout, as well as what you would like to see on future Fast 5 workouts. Drop a comment down below. And if you guys have not already had a chance to check out my other YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts, do that now. And don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Punts Away. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here's the setup for punts away. Now you're gonna have a basket. I have a towel underneath. You guys can use a yoga mat, you use a t-shirt, a blanket, whatever you have. I have a yellow cone here. That could be any marker. Again, a stuffed animal, shoot, whatnot, okay? And we're gonna create our own football. Now the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna use 3 pairs of socks, okay? And I'm just gonna simply fold them all together and create my football. So I got my 3 pairs of socks rolled up now. I got this ginormous sock ball right here, okay? Now, we're gonna be focusing on punting. So if you never punted before, you're always gonna have to step with the opposite foot. I am right-footed, so my left foot is gonna go forward. My back foot is actually gonna be the one that's gonna kick it. I'm gonna place 2 hands out front. When I'm ready to start swinging my leg forward, I'm gonna drop the object and then kick and follow through, okay? If you are left-footed, your right foot would go forward. Again, 2 hands out. When you're ready, drop and then kick and follow through. Opposite foot, bring it out, 2 hands, step, kick, try to make it through. We're gonna try to punt and try to make it in the basket. If you are able to punt it and make it onto the towel, that is gonna be worth 1 point. If you are able to punt and make it inside the basket, that's gonna be worth 2 points, okay? So we're gonna have 1 minute to try to score as many points as we can. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, that's 1 point. 2 points. Oh, it just came off. Almost went into the basket. You're out there, drop a comment below, cheer on Mr. Garcia. Oh, almost. That looks good. Come on, what is that? Oh, so close. Boom, there it is. And time. So right at the end, Mr. Garcia was able to punt it and make it in the basket. So, can you guys beat my score? Drop a comment down below. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of punts away. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity. What fun ways can you change it up? Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.